What is up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be installing M buttons on this M Sport steering wheel of this BMW M235i, and the video starts right now. So here are the M buttons that I will be installing today on this M Sport steering wheel. You have the M1 button. It's gonna go here. Take out the blank one and we'll replace it with the red one. The same thing with the M2. That's gonna go down here to replace the blank one. So these buttons are non-functional because my car doesn't have any M1 or M2 functions on it, but this is purely aesthetic, just to match my red push button. So you have a bit more color inside your interior to match that red push button with this M buttons here on the steering wheel. So for the install, you have to disconnect the battery, and we have to take out this airbag. So first we have to put the microfiber towel on this latch here so we don't close the trunk accidentally. Because once you take out the battery, you cannot open the trunk anymore. Then with your 10mm socket, you disconnect the battery, the negative battery. Put it aside here. Okay, so here I'm gonna use the T20 screwdriver to put in this hole here. So you just have to angle it like 45 degrees and fill the hole to unlatch the airbag so you can take out the airbag. So you just have to push it in. You have to feel it. There you go, got one. There you go. So I have to remove this airbag by unclipping this clip here. So after you've taken out the airbag, you have to take out this T20 screw here. T20 screw. So we can take out this trim. And then there's one more screw. One more screw here at the bottom. Now we need to remove this screw here. So you can take out the paddle. Then when we take out the paddle, we can unscrew this one here. The paddle is dangling. Then you have one more screw to take out here in the back. So you need to put your steering wheel on an angle a bit. So you can release this another T20 screw here in the back. And I got the screw. Now I can take out this thing here. Take out these three small screws here. Now we're gonna bring this to the table and change these two buttons here. So we need to pop this, unclip this side here. There you go. Now put the M1 button here. Pop it in. Okay. Looks good already. Do the second one. There you go. Now push the M2 button. That's it. Then we have to put everything back in the reverse order. Put back the screws. So this one here. Now it's time to plug in back the airbag. Okay. Press back the airbag. Okay. I'm gonna connect back the battery and I'm gonna start the car. Make sure everything's okay.
Greenwich Village and went and saw
Turn the steering wheel to the left, to the right. Okay. And buttons were installed. So if you like the video, click like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.